Welcome to another fresh episode of Tech Videos, where I bring you all the latest developments and happenings in the world of technology. Today, I want to bring you something you've never seen before when it comes to technology. Please allow me to introduce to you Apple Vision Pro, a wearable AR/VR device designed by Apple International. Now, at the annual WWDC 2023 conference, Apple unveiled its long-rumored augmented reality and virtual reality headset, the Vision Pro, which is one of Apple's most ambitious products to date. So, what exactly is the Vision Pro? Apple Vision Pro, also known as the spatial computer, is Apple's first wearable headset device, offering a mixed reality computing experience with the ability to blend digital content with the physical world. So basically, it is a powerful device that has been in development for more than a decade. So what are the features that you should expect from Apple Vision Pro? You should know that this device has so many features that you cannot even think about. And these features includes 4,000 micro OLED displays with 23 million pixels combined, eye and gesture tracking for navigation and control. The Vision Pro has more than a dozen cameras and it has a 3D photo and video capture. It has a built-in spatial audio, it has an optic ID array scanning, a Vision OS operating system of its own, and an external battery with 2 hours of battery life, and so much more features that are embedded in the Vision Pro. Now let me tell you about the Vision Pro headsets. Now, unlike some AR headsets on the market that you've probably seen before, the Vision Pro's battery pack isn't built into the device itself. Now, a wire running from the rear connects to a battery pack which provides up to 2 hours of use. Or better still, you can just plug your Vision Pro headset into a socket for an extended experience. Now, it has a 2 audio straps with built-in speakers positioned at the sides of the headset, delivering spatial audio that blends with what you are hearing on the headset with what's actually going on in the real world. So basically, what you're hearing on the headset blends directly with what is going on in the real world, so you don't get carried away from the reality. Now, inside the frame, there are 2 micro OLED displays that delivers over 4K pixels to each eye for a total of 23 million pixels. There's also an external display called EyeSight that projects an image of your eyes so people can tell whether you are using the headset in an immersive mode or if you can see what's going on around you. Now, with the headset, instead of controlling it by an external control or a pad, you can just simply control this headset, this VR headset, by eye tracking, hand gestures, and voice commands. So basically, you can use your voice to command what you want to see or whatever you want this headset to do for you. Now, an app can be navigated to and highlighted by just simply looking at it and then opened with a tap of the fingers. So scrolling is basically done with a simple flick of your fingers. So you don't have to scroll basically. So what you can just do is just flick your fingers and then you can just scroll up, down, or however you want it to scroll. Now, there is also a main home view that has all of your favorite Apple apps like your mail, your messages, your music, your Safari, your photos, and even more, with your data synced through the iCloud. Now, the interface is similar to that of the iPhone interface. Now, there are 2 Apple Silicon chips inside Vision Pro, including the same M2 chip that's inside the Mac and a new R1 chip that is just basically launched, or a new created chip called the R1 that's just, you can only find this inside the Vision Pro basically. The M2 chip runs the Vision operating system, which executes computer vision algorithms and provides graphics, while the R1 chip processes input from the cameras, the sensors, and the microphones that's embedded in the headset. Now, Apple Vision Pro can take 3D photos and videos using a built-in camera that's powered by tapping on the top button of the device. Now, Apple says that users can capture visions, videos, and photos in 3D and then relive those memories like never before. So Vision Pro will also show existing photos and videos on a large scale, making them more immersive. So basically, you can directly take 3D photos and videos of your surroundings, of your happenings, and whatever that is going on in your surroundings from the headsets. Now the Vision Pro also has what Apple called the cinema environment, which allows you to watch shows and movies at the frame rate and aspect ratio chosen by the creator of that movie. Or you can just use a nature-themed environment to make the screen feel 100 feet wide, wider than its original size. And the Vision Pro also has an Apple Immersive Videos that has a 180-degree 3D 8K recordings that puts users right inside the action. Plus streaming services like Apple TV Plus and Disney Plus that are available on Vision Pro. Now, as for gaming, or the lovers of gaming, if you love gaming and you're asking, is there a provision for gamers? Now, the Vision Pro supports Apple Arcade, and they also add 100 iPad games that are already installed on the device. Now, the Vision operating system will feature applications including the Unity apps, which run natively on the Vision Pro, from Lightroom to Microsoft Office and other major developers and applications that you can think of. Now, there's also a medical software for looking at renders of anatomy and an engineering app for visualizing physics phenomena like airflow on top of real-world objects, and so many more applications that will be embedded in the Vision Pro. Now, where and how can you buy the Apple Vision Pro? You should know that according to Apple, the Vision Pro won't be available from now until early next year, 2024, and you should know that it will not definitely come cheap at a cheap price, because it is currently pegged at $3,499 for a device. Now, you should know that Apple is also working on a cheaper version of the Vision Pro that will be more affordable. And there you have it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please kindly give us a thumbs up and follow this channel for more interesting content. And you can also visit our website on www.techibytes.com for more interesting tech content. And till next time, I will be here again to bring you a fresh content. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you next time.